In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Asana. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting a workspace is a permanent action that removes its projects, tasks, and files for everyone who uses it. If you're cleaning up old spaces or consolidating your team's work, follow along carefully and proceed only if you're absolutely sure. First, log into Asana using your usual account on the desktop app or a browser. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has the right permissions for the workspace you want to remove. If you use multiple accounts, double check that you're in the correct one to avoid affecting the wrong environment. Next, navigate to the specific workspace you want to delete. In Asana, a workspace is a top-level container for projects and teams, so you'll want to switch into that exact space. Use the workspace switcher at the top or in your profile menu to select it. Take a moment to confirm you've opened the correct workspace by glancing at its name and the projects shown. Once inside, open the workspace settings or admin area. Depending on your plan and role, this may appear under an admin or settings section accessed from the top bar, a gear icon, or your profile menu. If you don't see an admin panel, you may not have the necessary permissions to delete the workspace, so proceed only if the settings are available to you. Before you do anything irreversible, review the members, projects, and data inside the workspace. Look over the members list to see who will be affected. Scan through active projects and any critical tasks, attachments, or documentation. If there's anything the team might still need, consider communicating your plans and timing, and make sure any important information is saved elsewhere as part of this review. This is your chance to avoid surprises and prevent data loss. If you're confident the workspace is no longer needed, choose the delete or remove workspace option if it's available in your settings or admin panel. The wording and location may vary by plan, but it's typically found in a general settings or advanced section. Only proceed if you're certain you're targeting the correct workspace. Finally, confirm the deletion only if you're sure the workspace is no longer needed. Read any prompts carefully. Asana will typically warn you about the permanent nature of this action. Take a final pause to double check the workspace name and contents, then confirm to complete the deletion. And that's it. You've safely removed an unneeded workspace while minimizing risk and keeping your team informed.